Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Cheese. Today we're going to be making Crème Brûlée. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a French dessert dish type thing, and yeah, we're going to make that today, and we're going to see how it goes. Alright, so what you're going to need for the Crème Brûlée is 75 grams of just your regular plain old white sugar. We're going to add a vanilla bean in there and some vanilla extract to help that along. Gonna need about a pint of heavy cream, 6 eggs, and some turbinado cane sugar. That's how we're gonna make that crust. You know what I'm saying? Gonna make that crust nice and burnt and crunchy. And of course, you can't do anything without the crème brûlée torch. Let's get to it. In the saucepan, you're going to add your sugar, the heavy cream. Oh yeah. Yeah. Next thing you're going to want to do is open the vanilla bean stalk thingy and get all the vanilla stuff out. I'm going to throw that in the pot right here. Just like that. And after that, we're going to add some of this vanilla extract to help some more of that vanilla flavor. And we're done. We're just going to bring this up to about medium heat and let it come to a little simmer. Don't want it to get too hot. If you get too hot, you messed it up. So be careful. As you can see now, it's simmering. Wow, I can't speak. It's simmering. We're going to take it off the fire. And we're going to let it cool down. To help it cool down, we're just going to run it through a strainer to catch all the vanilla stuff. And we're going to let it cool down. Now it's time to get the custard part ready. Yeah, buddy. Next, you're going to take 6 egg yolks and separate them from the egg whites. And you're going to just whisk it together, get it ready. The bean and sugar and heavy cream thing, you're gonna want to let that cool for about 15 minutes. Yeah. Alright, so after about 15 minutes of letting the cream mixture mix, we're gonna put it into the eggs. You want to do it slowly because you don't want scrambled eggs, you know. You want a crème brûlée. Very slowly. When you're done, it should look something like this. Yeah, buddy. Alright. You don't want the foam on top, so you just take a spoon and just scrape some of that foam off. And you keep doing that to get most of the foam out of the way. That's what you want to do. You're going to want to get this hot. You want to get your towel nice and moist. And you're going to put it inside the baking sheet that you're going to put the crème brûlée in. You want to put it in your baking pan like so. And the reason we're doing this is so the ramekin thing doesn't like slide around and you get cracks in your crème brûlée. You don't want cracks in your crème brûlée. Yeah, you don't want crack. Next step, you want to get some boiling water and you want to put it in the little makeshift thing we made. So it's about 2/3 up the height of the little ramekin thing. And now we add the custard mixture. After you've done that, we're going to put this in the oven for about 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how many you make and how big of a ramekin bowl you got. And then, yeah. Alrighty, after about 20, 25 minutes, it should come looking out like this. It should still be able to wiggle a little bit. know if you can see it. It jiggles a little bit, but you know. Yeah. And now we're gonna let it come down to room temp. Then we're gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna let it cool overnight. See y'all tomorrow. All right, and we're back. You don't have to leave it overnight. You can leave it for like about 4 hours, or at least until it gets very cold. Then you can take it out the fridge. Now it's time to start making the crust. Sorry about that, the plastic got on it a little bit and fucked up. But yeah, oh, now we get some sugar. Now after you put the sugar on, it's time for my favorite part. Fire! You want to do this until you melt it. It's gonna melt anytime soon. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's what you want right there. Oh yeah. You want to get that sugar caramelizing. And after you're done, it should look something like this. Look at that nice, beautiful crust. And after you torch it, you're gonna put it back in the fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, now after you let it cool for about 30 minutes in the fridge, you get to dig in. This is it right here. It's beautiful. And one of the ways you know I did it right, if you hit it, you hear that nice little crisp sound. You hear that? Yeah. Now let's dig in. Oh. Woo. This came out better than I expected. God damn. That's some good shit. This is definitely Cheetalicious. Oh yeah. I remember. This has been Cooking with Treats.